Another area where you have a great deal of control over index entries in FrameMaker is with adding fonts or character tags for emphasis. So to give an example, I'm going to use a character tag in the normal way without a marker for an index entry. I've just selected some text and I've got the character catalog here. If I select emphasis, you'll see that all of the text changes to what emphasis does. It makes it italic. Notice that we also have a tag here called default font, which will actually cancel it out. So I'll go ahead and change that back to emphasis, and then I'll just take the part that I don't want to be an emphasis and change my mind using default font. Now we can actually use an equivalent to these tags inside of the markers for index markers. I'll show you how to do that. This page simply gives you a visual representation of what I'm about to do inside of an index marker. Basically, if I wanted to create an index marker that would put me with a description of a book, and I wanted the book Lord of the Rings to have the emphasis tag in front of it and then cancel that out for more information, my index marker would actually look like this: refer to, angle bracket, emphasis, etc. And there would be the name of my book followed by default para font. Okay, so I'm going to use these two building blocks inside of an actual index marker. And I'm going to do this over here. I've decided that I want to make an index marker that talks about referring to about environmental impact assessment to reveal vital statistics. Now when I select this, none of this font information is going to be carried with me. I'm just going to get plain text copied into my index marker. So I'm going to change the about to be a capital A, and here where it says environmental impact assessment study, that's a proper publication that needs to be italic. So I'm going to go angle bracket emphasis, just like our example before, and then at the very end of the name of the publication I'm going to restore it back to normal with default para font, angle bracket. Okay, and this is basically going to be just a simple index entry, and I'm going to say new marker. Now that I've done that, you'll see that there is a little marker over here. Save my font, my file, and now I'd like to go to the special menu and actually generate a test index on the document level. Again, FrameMaker tells me that you normally do this for the book. In this case, I just want to see it on the document level, and I'll go back to the beginning of the file, and here you can see that my very first entry says about environmental impact assessment study in italic, and then it goes back to the regular font to reveal vital statistics. So this simple technique that we just used, illustrated here, is how you make an index entry in which part of your text is one font and part is another. You simply refer to the character tags that are available in your character catalog. This is one more way that FrameMaker provides you more power and more control in your index than is available in Microsoft Word. This concludes our simple demonstration.